Independence Day of this great country. Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. We have been hearing it for last almost a year. Or we had a series of programs in which lot of children participated, lot of families participated, lot of officers participated. A variety of programs are held. Often it made me think only one thing. ये जो अमृत अमृत हम बोल रहे हैं, what is this अमृत business? So, is it that we have reached 75 years of independence? 75 years to in any way it will happen. 75 years आ ही जाएगा, 100 भी आ जाएगा, 200 भी आ जाएगा. समय के साथ the year will happen. But what is the Amrit about it? Amrit, as you all know, is part of our ancient lore, legend of the Rakshasas and the Devas. They churned the ocean milk and then the Amrit came out with great difficulty. Lot of churning, बहुत मंथन हुआ, उसके बाद अमृत निकला और फिर उस अमृत को प्रिजर्व करना, उसको सेफगार्ड करना. इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हमारे लिए ये क्या अमृत है जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं? What is it that we talk of अमृत? See, the biggest अमृत is that we could preserve this hard-won freedom for 75 years without diluting it. In fact, we have enhanced it. The guarantees which the Constitution gave have been upheld. We are able to have hope. A child in this country, any child, can have hope, can dream of becoming anything they want. A child can dream of becoming the Prime Minister of this country. A child can dream of becoming a general in the army. A child can become a civil servant. A child can dream. And that's the Amrit. How many children in this world who have got independence near about the same time can dream similarly? We have been able to achieve remarkable Amrit in these 75 years. A lot of negativities may be there, but in a country of this size and this population, this diversity, those are very negligible. This hope which we get, which each child can get, which each person can get. Now I am 4 years from retirement or superannuation. Many of you will be similarly placed. We think of what we can do after retirement, after superannuation, what we can do. That means there is hope. There is possibility of life. There is possibility of hope. There is possibility of opportunity. कितनों को मिलता है? कितने देश में मिलता है? आप देखिए, how many of us will exchange our citizenship with any country in this world? At least I would not. And that is what gives us hope. That is what gives us this Amrit. 75 years is not a passage of time for us. It is realization of so many of our national objectives, national goals, national aspirations, and putting it into a structure which is bound by a constitution which is common to all. I mean, the poorest of man in this country can proudly vote. The poorest of man in this country can go to a hospital and get treated. Poorest of man can put his child into a government school and get educated. हो रहा है, ऐसी नहीं की बात नहीं हो रही है, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. And with so much of population and so much of diversity, still we are able to achieve many of our objectives. And that is the Amrit. That is what we must be able to understand. What is the value of this Amrit? It's not so easily got. It is not that we have won this independence so easily. Many lakhs of people had to sacrifice their lives to get it. And if we can preserve this Amrit, if we can preserve this independence in our own small ways, in our own lives and in our own duties that we do, this will lead us to 100, 200 and 1,000. I mean, years of this nation's longevity. As a nation, we are there for thousands and thousands of years. We don't have any doubt about that. We have already existed for so many thousands of years. But with a constitutional structure, with a rule of law, with equal opportunity for everybody, with a hope that each person can achieve what he wants, with hard work, with some kind of effort, he can reach his goals. This possibility has happened in the last 75 years in a great way. And how beautifully things happen in this country. I mean, you take anything, transition of power, how governments come and how they take forward the aspirations of the people. How major changes like this GST has happened so smoothly. These are all inconceivable in other countries. Just think of neighboring nearby countries where even civil war has broken up. I mean, the lives of people are so dangerous. Nobody knows what will happen next time. But whereas we are here, we are able to criticize, we are able to dissent, we are able to talk, we are able to express our opinion. This is the Amrit. We don't know the value of it because we are enjoying it. And since you are enjoying it, you are sometimes very casual about it. You think that there is no big deal about it. It is very, very big deal. It is not an ordinary thing that we are enjoying. Freedom to express, freedom to have any religion. I mean, today I can follow this religion, tomorrow I can follow some other religion, day after tomorrow some other religion, day after tomorrow the next day I can think that I don't want God at all. I can be atheist, and rightly so. And my fundamental rights are protected. I have a possibility of a judicial remedy. Now, these are all unimaginable things. Tomorrow if you say in any other country that I will follow some other god, I will pray to some other god, you will be hanged. I mean, these are things which cannot even be imagined in very many places. This is the Amrit which we have got, and having got it, we have to preserve it. We have to cherish it. We have to pass it on to the next generation. And we have to see that they also enjoy the fruits of this Amrit. And it doesn't get diluted, it doesn't get what you call as lessened in each person's share. It should only increase. And how do we do it? It's not that, I can do it by doing my own job in my own limited way in the most dedicated manner. You can do it by doing your job at your level. And each one, when we do it in our own level, this Amrit will get preserved. We have been assigned with the extraordinary task of administering and collecting revenue for this country. We are doing a very, very good job. Very good job. As a department, I must congratulate. I must really wish each one of you the best, because each one of you is trying to put up their best effort in this very fast changing scenario in the world. We are trying to understand the environment, because the way things are changing is very different. For example, you take all this online marketing, online sales, online business. How do we tax it? How do we find out how much is the tax liability? How do we fix it? How do we enforce? These are new things for us, but we are not giving up. We are moving and trying to reach the goals as fast as possible. See, in last 6 to 7 months or 8 months, we have been consistently getting more than 1 lakh crore GST. A matter of pride for each one of us. There was some dip 1 month, but that is an aberration. Now the confidence level is increasing. It reflects, if GST increases, it means the economy is doing well. One. Second, we are able to plug the loopholes. We are able to enforce the law in a better way. And today the situation is that if the smallest of taxpayer tweets or writes to the highest of authority in the government, to the minister, or to the secretary, or to the chairman, within minutes I get a call that look into this. And within minutes, I call my next person, and by next morning, the problem is solved. This is the response to a taxpayer situation. This is the Amrit we are giving to them. And by paying the tax, they are adding to the Amrit of this nation. Each one of us is part of this overall cauldron of Amrit, which we have to preserve. So, Azadi itself is an Amrit, because only those who have it and those who cherish it, those who can understand it, can know what it means. You can know the value of Azadi only when you lose it. Only when you don't have it, you will know what it means. And until you have it, it is the human tendency to find faults. It is the human tendency to find some shortcomings and say that this could have been better, that could have been better. There are a million things which are better. Let us cherish it. Let us understand what Amrit we have. And let us understand what is our responsibility in preserving it and sharing it. Amrit cannot be had all by ourselves. If I have Amrit, I cannot have it all by myself. I have to share it. I have to share it by discharging my duties. And when I discharge my duties, the Amrit gets shared. If I redress a taxpayer's problem, the Amrit is shared. If I enforce a law in such a way that a tax defaulter pays his dues, the Amrit is shared because he pays, and that goes into the education of some small child. It is shared. If we can give our spare time in a manner that will be constructive. For example, each one of us are very, very highly qualified by any standards, irrespective of our ranks or anything. The kind of qualifications we acquired, kind of experience we have acquired, we have to share it. We can teach some children, we can participate in some community programs, we can share our expertise, we can help some taxpayer who is not able to engage a consultant. We have to be a natural consultant to any taxpayer who has got problems. We have to solve these problems. That is how we share the Amrit. We share the Amrit which we have got. Now sharing, preserving, passing it on is very, very essential. Not that there are no, a small drop of poison in this whole cauldron of Amrit can harm things. We have to be careful that such wish in right opposite of Amrit doesn't get into it. The negative forces which are there playing. Let us keep away. Let us think positive. Let us preserve the Amrit. Let us share it. Let us see to it that we understand the meaning of this word Azadi, the freedom in its entirety. Let us not even think for a second that it will get disturbed, this Azadi, because it is too precious, not ordinarily precious. I mean, how much ever I emphasize, one cannot understand it unless one doesn't have it. A child who doesn't have education, how it longs at the children who are going to school with their parents. Only that child will know. A child who doesn't have a toy, who is looking at a child which is able to afford. We can afford freedom because we are guaranteed about it. We are guaranteed by not a person, but by a full constitution. And there is a rule of law. We can get remedy. There is nobody here who cannot seek a judicial remedy in this whole country. You can knock at the doors of the court and we get justice. These are things which is beyond imagination in terms of Amrit. Today I am wearing this particular thing. This was made by a small child of about 9 or 10 years old. That girl, she told, "Sir, if I make this for you, will you wear it?" I said, "I'll wear it and I'll wear it proudly." And she took about 2 hours to make this. Each piece is cut, each one is painted separately by hand and then joined together and put into a piece. I said, I'll wear it and I'll give you the photo also. Now, this pride which she will get when she sees me wearing it in this function will make her lifelong a patriot. Lifelong she will do the right thing. And to that extent, to small extent, I have ensured that this Amrit gets distributed. Amrit is passed on. In your lives, please pass on this Amrit, however small extent possible. There are small acts of yours which will bring huge results in others because their perception about us is very big. When you go out and talk to people, when you go out and understand, interact with people, they look up Customs Department, they look up to GST. There is definitely an element of respect and there is an element of fear which should be also there. So that we have to preserve in such a way that we don't bring any kind of ignominy, any kind of disrespect to the department. At individual levels, we are very, very individuals. We have our own likes, dislikes, and things like that. But when it comes to a department, when it comes to a public display of our department, our pride, we should ensure that it is there properly. We cannot, that is the Amrit of this department. The public display of our strengths, the public display of our discipline, the public display of our knowledge. If suppose a taxpayer comes to us with a doubt, we must be able to solve it. That is the display of our knowledge. And if we don't have that knowledge, that means we are not able to administer. Only if, that doesn't mean that we should know the entire book back to back. No. There are times we may not know the detail. We can always tell him, I will get back to you. And you should get back. And you should get back. If you get back within time, maybe in 6 hours, one day, and call back and say, now I have found out your doubt, I have understood your doubt, this is the solution for it. Amrit. Amrit has been given, Amrit has been distributed. You have preserved this Amrit. How do we preserve the Amrit? You can think about it. Because I have been thinking about it since the time this whole catchphrase was sent to us, Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. 75 ho gaya to Amrit nahi. 75 is a time, is a date. To become 100 will become 200. But will Amrit be there? As of today, Amrit is there. Our job to preserve it, our job to pass it on to the next generation, see to it that Amrit continues in an unadulterated form and which can be realized by very, very small acts of ours. It need not be big acts. Small acts of ours. I can proudly say that one patriot I have ensured. This child will, for a very long time, remember that she has to do something for this nation. It will motivate her. Likewise, you can do small acts by doing small things. It all gets added up from there. And the kalash of Amrit remains full. So it is not a lecture, moral lecture or something. It is a very, very humble request to understand the meaning of this azadi or freedom. Very, very impersonal concept. Very impersonal concept. For a soldier dying on the front in the borders of his country, what is this? What is the reason that motivates him? What is it that makes him mad to die for a country, a nation, which is such an impersonal concept? He is willing to die. He doesn't think twice before sacrificing himself. Such an impersonal concept. And how much Amrit he adds to this whole country's situation. If one of that soldier defaults, we will lose the Amrit. Each one of us. If we don't collect the taxes, we will lose the Amrit. If the child doesn't study, we will lose the Amrit. Somewhere or the other there will be dent. So it is each one of us in their own small way. Each droplet of it has to be accumulated, collected, and we have to go on. 75 years I am here in this northeast zone. I am amazingly thrilled that however God will send me here to this beautiful part of this country, and I am for the third time I am unfurling the flag, hoisting the flag of this great nation, and we are coinciding with 75 years of independence. Very great blessings. I would like to share it with you, and let us all resolve that we will do our bit in a very happy and peaceful way. Whatever the problems, we are there to solve for each other. We will stand by each other. As a department, we will be very, very tight-knit. Let us not give way to any kind of criticism or anything that will bring our pride down. Hold our pride high. As a department, we should hold our pride high. Within the family, we can have a million differences. We can talk of everything across the table. There is no problem. We have a great leadership. We have a great government which is taking care of us. Beyond the great problems that we have faced, my mind goes to the mind and heart, I should say, goes to those who lost their lives in this pandemic. Our own department officers. One officer who lost his, we lost in Guwahati. I had gone to his house and met his family. Others, I hope the commissioners there would have done the same. But it's so sad. It's so very sad that such a thing has happened. See, a lot of people have lost their lives. A lot of people have had problems. But as a nation, we are pulled together. We are coming out of it. And it is maybe months or less than that we will come out. That hope is the Amrit. Yesterday, Honorable President said we have vaccinated 50 crore people. 50 crore people. Much more than the entire United States. 50 crore. Amrit. Huge Amrit. Thing to be proud of. Be absolutely proud. So many things to be proud of. So let us do our bit. Let us increase the size of this Amrit. Let us preserve the purity of it. Let us share it. Let us see to it that everybody gets their share. And our doing our job will make sure that the Amrit is added to it. These are the few thoughts I thought I should share with you. And very, very good best wishes to each one of you and to the families on this solemn day. Let us do our work peacefully. Jai Hind.